Ever felt like someone's watching you online, or wished you could access your favorite shows from anywhere in the world? Today we're diving deep into what is NordVPN and why it's become a go-to for millions. So, what exactly is NordVPN? In simple terms, it's a virtual private network. Think of it like a secure encrypted tunnel for all your internet traffic. Instead of directly connecting from your device to the websites you visit, NordVPN routes your connection through one of its secure servers. Now, why are more people using NordVPN? It boils down to a few critical things. First, online privacy and security. Every time you connect to public Wi-Fi, say at a coffee shop or airport, your data is vulnerable. NordVPN uses military-grade encryption to protect your personal information from hackers and snoopers. This means your browsing history, banking details, and sensitive data stay private. It's about securing your digital life. Is using NordVPN safe? Absolutely. They have a strict no-logs policy, meaning they don't track what you do online. Second, it's about freedom and access. NordVPN has thousands of servers in countries all over the world. This lets you bypass geo-restrictions and get to content that might not be available in your region. Want to watch a show that's only available in the UK? Just connect to a UK server. Whether it's live sports, international news, or your home country's streaming library while you're traveling, NordVPN really opens up a world of content. And here's a neat trick. You can even use it to save money on things like flights, hotels, or online subscriptions, since prices can actually change depending on your perceived location. Okay, so it sounds powerful, but how do you actually use NordVPN? Well, it's incredibly simple. You just download the app to your device, whether that's your phone, tablet, laptop, or even your smart TV. Open it up, choose a server location with a single click, and you're protected. That's it. No complicated setups, just instant online security and access. So, if you're serious about your online privacy, want to unlock a world of content, or just want to browse the internet with peace of mind, NordVPN is your answer. It's robust, user-friendly, and trusted globally. Don't wait until your data is compromised. Take control of your online security today. Get NordVPN now. Exclusive discount link below. I've put a special discount link in the description below this video. Click that link right now to get started with NordVPN and secure your digital life. You'll be glad you did. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments how you use your VPN. Thanks for watching.